Alright, tools required for this oil change of a 2007 Tundra are like 10, 12, and 14 millimeter bolts. I've got a breaker bar here, an extension I got from Harbor Freight, a 3/8 inch it's an air tool, earthquake bar tool. This is a Napa oil filter remover. I got I think it's model number, let's see, model number, hopefully you can see this, 773152. Yeah, the camera's trying to autofocus here. Yeah, it's too dark in here. Here it is. And it's about 29, I think $29.99 exactly. Safety glasses, gloves, headlamp, oil pan. There's the Castrol oil. It's going to require 7.4 liters. We got 8 liters in there. And wish me luck. Here we go.